Stop stressing about Forex risks. Let's make it simple together with K9 Investments. Alright, so the Forex market can seem intimidating, right? But here's the scoop. It's all about understanding and managing those risks. At K9 Investments, we believe education is key. We offer top-notch guidance, in-depth analysis, and mentorship to help you navigate the Forex waters. Imagine having free premium signals right at your fingertips. These signals can give you a head start, helping you make informed decisions. Remember, every investment carries some risk, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can minimize it. That's where K9 Investments comes in. We're here to educate and guide you every step of the way. So if you're ready to dive into Forex with confidence, check out K9 Investments for more tips and free premium signals. Let's make smart moves together.